Presenting
Sham Vihar. Reasonably priced plots at best location at Sohna, Gurgaon. It is located at stone throw away distance from 1,400-acre Maruti factory. Located within 3 minutes distance from KMP and Meo Industrial area. Very near to IMT Sohna. Half a minute distance from under construction freight corridor at Sohna. Freight corridor is for shipping goods from NCR to Mumbai and Calcutta, which is expected to be completed by the year 2020. Glimpse of Sham Vihar. Approximately 30 minutes distance from Rajiv Chowk, Gurgaon. 3 minutes distance from New Nyayak Parishad, Sohna. Approximately 45 minutes distance from Terminal 3 Airport, New Delhi. Top schools are 10 minutes distance from Sham Vihar. Upcoming residential and commercial areas nearby. Now you have made up your mind to buy this piece of land. Call up Neelam at 9911711125 or Manish at 8377945444 and confirm your appointment for site visit.